That was a special weather statement issued by the National Weather Service not too long ago. And I can understand why. Because it's only a slight risk. At least where I am. But there is an enhanced risk. Oh god, the camera on this is shit. And if I go here to the future radar, yeah, I missed a severe thunderstorm watch. I could have gotten it if the wind from the static wasn't so excessive. Yeah, between 4 and 5, maybe even 6 p.m., it shows it being pretty bad. So today is going to be very interesting for New Hampshire and Western Maine, as well as the other areas that are in the slight risk and the small enhanced risk. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Anyways, that concludes this segment of the video. Talk to you guys when start getting alerts. Watch your back! Nice! 9? Oh, I got it! Oh, and WMG. Yes! That was a success.
For the latest severe weather information. Here is a special weather statement for the following area in New Hampshire. At 3:24 p.m. Strong thunderstorm with a low moving east at 50 miles per hour.
We already got some warnings! Oh, you suck dong.
Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, southwestern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire, western Merrimack County in central New Hampshire. At 3:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of Hanover to 11 miles west of Charlestown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and equal size. Source radar indicated.
We got some. And on WMG. Okay, that was the win.
Ashland, Bradford, Danbury, Groton, Newport, Warner, Marlow, Piermont, and Alston. This includes the following highways: Interstate 89 between mile markers 19 and 60. Interstate 93 between mile markers 78 and 93. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Hampshire: Grafton, Merrimack, and Sullivan. station broadcasting on a frequency of 162. The following is a summary of watches. Warnings.
Nice. Oh.
At 4:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located west of Oregon, 17 miles northwest of Keene, moving at 35 miles per hour.
Oh yeah.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage.
I recognize the messaging. My
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Keene, Peterborough, Antrim, Dublin.
Yep. Yep.
Surrey, Chesterfield, and Newton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Cheshire, New Hampshire.
Wait, that wasn't for the same system.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 463, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following hours with a chance of thunderstorms. Oxford advisory and the following is a summary for
SVR going off, ladies and gentlemen. Listen for you guys. And suck.
severe thunderstorm was located near Nelson, 13 miles north of 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect minor damage to roofs, siding.
Okay. And it was on the BNG.
Peterborough, New Boston, Antrim, Mount Vernon,
gonna take forever.
Francistown, Bennington, Harrisville, Windsor, Hancock, Goffstown, and Dering. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 93 between mile markers 18 and 23.
Oh, the Accurate did go off. Nice. Surprised the power hasn't gone out.
Severe thunderstorm warning remains until 5:15 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Sullivan.
Yes! There you go.
Until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles north of Ossipee to near Loudon.
Yep.
Quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect rain damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Manchester, Concord, Rochester, Alfred, Sanford, Ossipee, Northwood, Hooksett, Barrington, Buxton, Berwick, Farmington, Lebanon, Loudon, Alton, Barnstead, Epsom, Hollis, Gilmanton, and Hiram. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 near mile marker 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 24 and 34. 24 and 34.
We're definitely going to get special rain warnings. Is that what just went off? No. Ooh, that's not good.
The following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Merrimack, Rockingham, and Stratford. This is no weather radio station.
What? Where? Why?
Thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Northwood to near Boston, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source:
Yep.
Location: Manchester, Derry, Rochester, Merrimack, Durham, Exeter, Northwood, Dover, Bedford, Hooksett, Somersworth, Amherst, Barrington, Richfield, Berwick, Farmington, Epping, Boston, Epsom, and Brentwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 293 between mile markers 1 and 11. Interstate 93 between mile markers 10 and 33. Interstate 95 between mile markers 16 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: York, Maine, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, and Stratford. Mostly 77. Fiber light rain.
Stop it! I'm just kidding. I'll expand it more.
Moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expects damage to roofs. Sighting to roofs. Sighting.
Yep. Nope, not on KZZ41.
This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 56 and 70. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maine, Cumberland, and York.
Another one.
Now for the official National Weather Service.
Or no? Oh wait, that's the one that did just go off. Yeah, bye. Show me what you got. Special Marine. Gotcha. Yep.
Boston was mostly sunny at 83. And in New York City, it was partly sunny at 6 nautical miles northwest of Portsmouth, moving at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts, 40 small hail. Source, radar.
Ooh, Old Orchard Beach. My camera just... You.
Thunderstorm warning for Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire until 7:15 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Derry, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Derry, Portsmouth, Hampton, Durham, Exeter, Surrey,
No.
Brentwood, Greenland, Salem, Rye, Stratham, Newmarket, Raymond, Newington, Pelham, Hudson, Londonderry, and Hampstead. This includes the following highways: Interstate 93 between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 95 in New Hampshire between mile markers 0 and 13.
Oh, just barely got it.